Okay, everybody, we're still at Disney World, but we have now changed hotels to Disney Port Orleans Resort, Riverside. We are staying in room 9061, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the room. Excuse the luggage, but you have a table with 2 chairs, some decent art on the wall, a television, places to hang some hanging stuff there. Of course, they leave the little Mickey towel thing. 2 queen beds. One of the things I probably didn't mention when I did the other room is now, at least this one and the other one, has little Amazon, like Alexa, but it's, you say, "Hey Disney," to start the magic. Also, we have a set of drawers. We have a refrigerator. We have a safe. The bathroom is 2 sinks, mirror. We have closet for hanging stuff. We have some little side containers here with a dryer and a steamer. When you go into the bathroom, you have a toilet and, of course, a tub with a shower. So other than having the animals outside our room like we did at Animal Kingdom Lodge because we were on the safari, this looks like a pretty nice room, and it is about half the price. So if you like these room tours and you like getting information from us, please like and subscribe to Working for Vacations. Me and Lori would really appreciate it. Thank you.